Good morning, guys. It's 820. What's up, you guys? It's Go Dogs Home. I'm just getting up to anything for questions and things that work. Now, you guys, I'm just everyone's up, so we're gonna get everything packed up. So that's what's going on, you guys. We are packing up, so we are packing up the tent. So that's what's going on, you guys. We're gonna go swimming, so that's what's going on. Guys, we just got home and we can unload the car, so that's what's going on, guys. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. So let's do it. Let's unload the truck. Guys, right now, you guys, we're having a campfire. So that's what's going on, you guys.
It's a really big fire.
Not that big. So that's what's going on, guys. I'm here in today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Guys, do give it a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.